how to send Google Calendar event reminders on Telegram one day before the event. So in this video, I'll show you how you can start sending the automated reminders of your Google Calendar events before one day of the event on your Telegram channel. Yes, it is possible. Without doing anything, you can actually send the reminders before the one day of the event which you have created inside your Google Calendar. Now for that, I'll have to connect these two applications with the help of an automation software. So if you also want to automate the process of sending the reminders, come with me and I will show you how you can set this automation for yourself. So this is my Google Calendar and I am going to create an event in front of you, and you will see how before the one day of that event, a reminder will get sent automatically into the specific Telegram channel, reminding my audience about the very same event. For that, I'll have to first build a connection in between Google Calendar and Telegram, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test such type of amazing automation. Well, I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so firstly I have clicked on sign in. Then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after reaching here, firstly click on this blue button that is create workflow and simply provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm going to paste the name something like when event is created, send reminder on Telegram automatically. Okay, simply click on create and then you will find two boxes, trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email automatically via Gmail application. Okay, according to our use case, whenever event is created inside Google Calendar application, automatically send a reminder that to one day before the event on Telegram application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, and here in this particular case, I am about to create an automation in between Google Calendar application and in between Telegram application. So that is why I am going to connect these two applications with the Pabbly Connect, and I am going to do the setup of Telegram later. Firstly, I am going to connect to Google Calendar with the Pabbly Connect, so that as soon as a new event will be created, the details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that is why I have selected specifically this particular event. Okay, click on connect and then click on add new connection and simply provide the access of your account in which you are about to create the events. Okay, well, I have already made the connections, so I will use this existing connection, but make sure if you are building this connection for the first time, you will have to select add new connection and then sign in with Google. Okay, for now I am going with the existing connection only, and here you can see it is connected. Now as soon as I will click on this save and send test request, but before that I'll have to actually select the calendar. Okay, so basically I have multiple calendars inside my Google Calendar, and I want that whenever I create any event inside my Pabbly Connect to Google Calendar, this automation should trigger or the reminders should get sent. Okay, so that is why I am going to select specifically this particular calendar only. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now I will be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see the most recent event details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. But right in front of you, I am going to create a new event. So assume that I am about to conduct an event in the month of March, basically on the Sunday, and the event will be held on the 19th of March. Okay, so firstly I will provide the name as, let's say I am organizing an auto expo of car. Okay, auto expo of car. So I have provided the event name, and the type will be of course event, and the date has been selected or already I have selected it, Sunday March 19th. Okay, and here I will also add the time, and this auto expo will be start from 7 p.m. or let's say 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so 6 p.m. will be the starting time of this event, and and the event ending time will be, let's say, 10 p.m. Okay, all right, so the 4-hour events will be happen, and here I can also add a location. So how about I just add a random location, that is Bhopal. In case you want to add any description of this particular event, you can also do the same. So how about an event of car auto expo? Okay, so I think I have provided the basic details for the event creation. Okay, so here you can see the event has been added here. Coming back and clicking on this button, and you will see this time in place of the previous event, the details of that new event has been captured. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. Here we have the updated date, and here we have the summary, that is Auto Expo of Car. Basically it is the name of the event. Okay, we have the time zone, we have the start date and timing, that is 19th of March, and here we have the timing as well. Okay, that is 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so I even have the description. Okay, so let me show you the location, and where is the description which I have added. Here you can see the description and event of the car expo. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Calendar and Pabbly Connect is working fine. Okay, and now I am going to send a reminder on my Telegram channel. Okay, so I want to send a reminder before the one day of this particular event. Okay, so firstly I will have to minus 1 day from this particular date, and then I will specify that the event should get sent on that particular date, basically on that subscribed date, basically the date which I will get after the subtraction. Okay, and you can actually perform the subtraction or addition of the date with the help of date and time formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing feature via which you can perform various kind of amazing operations within your dates. Okay, currently I have selected this format date with the time zone. Well, it is not the correct one. I had to select this add or subtract timing. Okay, simply click on connect and it will be connected immediately, asking to select the date to enter the date. So I want to subtract 1 day from this particular event date. Okay, where is the event date? Here you can see this is the ending time. I want the start time. Alright, so here you can see we have the start date. Okay, and I don't even need to copy this date manually and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. So I have mapped this particular date. Now it is asking for the expression, basically what kind of operation you would like to perform in this particular date. So I want to subtract 1 day. So I have copied this particular format and mentioned that I would like to minus 1 day from this particular existing date, asking for the to format and from format. Okay, so firstly I'm going to select this from format, which is YYMMDD format. Okay, so coming here and from this particular drop down I am going to select this YYMMDD THHMMZ. Okay, so I have selected this from format, and in this to format I am going to select this basic format of YYMMDD HHMMSS. Okay, why I am selecting specifically this format, I'll show you later. Okay, so currently I have chosen this particular format. Clicking on this button and you will see how 1 day will be subtracted. Okay, so I'll have to check. So basically I have provided the date as 19th March, but right now I have the date as the 18th March. Okay, so basically I want to send a reminder on 18th March. Now in order to send the reminder on this specific date, I'll have to specify somewhere in the automation, and I'm going to do that with the help of delay function, which is again an interesting feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can delay your automations, your workflow for a specific duration of time. Okay, so how much delay you want to put in your workflow? Basically I want to apply the delay until. So basically what exactly we are doing here is we are delaying our automation until this particular date. Okay, so let me first map this date here, and remember I have told you that why I am taking the date into this particular format, because in this delay function it will ask you the date in this YYMMDT HMMMSS. Okay, so let me first map the very same date. Okay, so here we have the date and timing. I have have mapped it, clicking on this button save and send test request, and here you can see it has been delayed until this particular date and time. Okay, so what exactly we have done, we have delayed our automation until this particular date and time. Okay, when this particular date and time will arrive, what should be the next step? Basically it should execute this particular step. It should actually execute the sending of the automated reminder. Okay, and I want to send the reminder on Telegram application, on Telegram channel, so that is why I have selected this particular action event and the application. And again, just like I have connected Google Calendar and Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect this Telegram with Pabbly Connect, for which it is asking for the token. Okay, so again, read the instructions one by one, that too very carefully. Okay, so firstly I will take you to my Telegram section, and here is the bot father. You will have to click this bot father from here, and after that you will have to follow these instructions one by one. To create a new bot, type /new bot. Okay, so let me copy the same, coming here, and I will be pasting the same and pressing enter, and here you can see, all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so I'm going to choose any random and a funny name, because sometimes this Telegram doesn't take the name of the bot at a single time. Okay, so how about I take the name as knock knock. Why knock knock? Because this is a reminder of knock knock. Okay, so I'm actually taking this particular name. Let me press enter, and here you can see it is saying good. Now let's choose a username. So again, I will be choosing the username with the same name only. Let's choose a username for your bot. It must be end in bot like this. For example, Tetris bot. So it will be something like Tetris underscore bot. Okay, so let me also add underscore bot here, and sorry, this username is already taken. Please try something new. Okay, so how about I also add one at the end, and then I will be adding this bot underscore once again, and yes, it is done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this particular section, and here you can see we have this token which I am going to copy from here, and I will be pasting the same inside Pabbly Connect, and this is how the connection can be made in between Pabbly Connect and Telegram. And here you can see it is connected. Now firstly it is asking for the chat ID. Basically in Telegram, whether you have a group or a channel, you will have to add the ID of that chat. So here you can see I have this Pabbly team channel, and I am going to copy the ID of this specific channel, because I want to send the reminder on this specific group, on this specific channel only. Okay, so I have copied the same, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and let me paste the same. And here you will have to read the instructions, and you will also have to visit this particular documentation, because the instruction for getting the token are actually available here only. Okay, so here you can see at the end how to obtain a chat ID. Okay, so here it has clearly defined that you'll have to copy this chat ID and paste it here, and in case of the channels, you will have to add this prefix of 100 before your chat ID, something like this. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect, and since we are about to send the messages on the Telegram, so I'm going to follow the instructions, and I will be adding this 100 into my channel ID, and here it is asking to provide the text message. So I have already created a nice message into my notepad. Let me copy the same and paste the very same message here. And firstly, I am going to do the formatting of this particular message, that is, hello community members, knock knock, only one day is left to our card expo. Hurry up and register yourself and get a discount of 5% on the bookings. Also included here is a registration form should you wish to save a booth for your company. And for more information, just contact on this particular number, and here I have added currently just a random number. Okay, thank you, and we hope to have you see there. Sincerely, Expo team. Okay, so I have provided the text, basically the message, the reminder which I would like to send. Okay, so basically I want to send this particular reminder that is only 1 day is left to our car auto expo. Okay, and I think I have provided all the important information, but before that I'll have to check check the date and time of my automation. So it has delayed the automation up to 18th of March 12:30. Once this timing will arrive, what will happen? This step is going to execute, which is sending of the message on Telegram, and then I will be clicking on this button save and send test request. Alright, before that I have forgot to tell you one more very important thing. So basically, whatever the bot I have created, I will have to add this particular bot as a member of my group or a channel. Then only I will be able to send the messages. Okay, so let me first add this particular bot inside my channel. Okay, so I remember I have the bot name as knock1_bot. Okay, so this is the bot which I have created, I remember. Okay, now I will be clicking on this arrow and you will see this bot will be created. And the thing is not done yet. You will also have to promote this particular bot as an admin of this particular channel. Then only the messages sending is possible. Okay, and that is only possible with the help of the Telegram mobile application. I cannot do it with the help of this Telegram web. Okay, so firstly I will open the Telegram application into my mobile, and then I will promote this particular bot as an admin. I will actually create this particular bot as an admin of this particular group or channel. Alright, so you can notice that now I have 13 members into my group, and this knock is also the admin of my group. And now if I will click on this button, I will be able to send the messages. I'm really expecting the same, and here you can see the response is received. Let me go back to the very same channel, and here you can see the same message. Hello community members, knock, only one day is left to our car auto expo. Hurry up and register yourself and get a discount of 5% on the bookings. Also included here is the registration form. You should wish to save a booth for your company. For more information, thank you, and we hope to have you there. Sincerely, expo team. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time you are going to conduct any event into your Google Calendar, specifically into this particular calendar, the reminders of that event will be sent automatically one day before to your community, to your channel. Okay, and that is possible with the help of Pabbly Connect only. Okay, so basically you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this very same automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this very same workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And lastly, I would like to show you two more important things. That is, firstly, this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. So what will happen, whatever the events are created here inside my Google Calendar, those event details will be captured via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes. So just in case if the data is not receiving in the real time, do not get bothered, don't worry about that. Just wait for 10 minutes or few more minutes. Your automation will surely going to work. And the second important thing is, whatever the details I have mapped here will be replaced automatically when this automation is going to work in real time. So basically what will happen, whenever a new event is created inside Google Calendar, the details of that new event will replace the existing details, and this is how this automation is going to take place. And that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation inside Pabbly Connect. And here, along with this particular message, if you want to add more details of your event, you can also do the same. Let me show you how it is possible. So you can add the event name, something like this. You can also add the location if you have any. Okay, so let me show you how you can automatically send the details as well. Okay, so remember, we have received the event name, something like this, auto expo of car, and do I have the location? I'll have to check that. Okay, and yes, we even have the location of our event. Okay, well, it has mapped at the incorrect place, so let me map it again, once again. All right, so here we have the location. Okay, so this is how you can also attach the details of your event, and this is how the details will be replaced automatically on every new event created. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.